Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add an eye glow effects in CapCut. So here I have already imported an anime video, and then to add the eye glow, you can just go to the video effects and go to the body effects, then find the selfie tab, and here you'll see there is an options that you can choose. There's a heart shape, a love eyes, uh and other thing. You can just choose which one, but I'm going to add the eye glow from the superpowers. So here I'm going to use the you can use the eye reflection, lightning effect, or this one. I'm going to just use the eye reflection. Then to adjust, you just need to click on that, and to change the color you can just swipe it to the left. Alright, I'm going to change the color into yellow or orange like this. To adjust it to the background, I'm going to go with 14. Click on the check icon, and you can just adjust it for your whole video like that. And that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.